good. Sweetie, please stand forward and spell the word tree. Wrong. The spelling is T-H-R-E-E. Yana, please stand forward and spell the word. No, your next turn. Spell the word electric fan. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C. Wrong. E-L-I-C-T-R-I-C.
Electric fan.
Check si Nanay. Ano spelling electric fan?
E-L-E. Electric fan. Sige na, sige na.
Okay. Mia, please stand forward and spell the word five.
F-I-V-E.
You've got the correct answer. Sophia, please stand forward and spell. Where's your hair? Very good. Please clap your hand. Sweetie, please stand forward.